Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our lesson number 25. So what is the name of lesson number 25th? My district and your district. Okay, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 25, my district, your district. And after studying this lesson, you will come to know about your district. And look at the picture. It is Mallepura village. There are many houses are here. So you can see many houses here. So it is Mallepura village. So this Mallepura village belongs to Chandrayapatna Hobli. So in this Hobli there are a number of villages like Mallepura. So Mallepura is a one village, and like this, like Mallepura village, so many villages are there in Chandrayapatna Hobli. So group of some villages is called Hobli. Okay children, and here is a picture of Hoblis. Many Hoblis together form a taluk, isn't it children? So usually we will hear some like Hobli, taluk, district, state, country and all, isn't it? So what are those? So first it will come Hobli. So first the Hobli will come. So what is Hobli? It is a group of some villages, and some what many Hoblis together form a taluk. So what is taluk children? Many Hoblis together form a taluk. So here one example is there, that is Devanhalli taluk. So in this many Hoblis will come. So what are those? Kundana and Vijaypura and Chandrayapatna and Devanhalli Kasaba. So these are the Hoblis. Okay. So these are the Hoblis of Devanhalli Taluk. Okay. So next, if you are living in village, know the names of Hobli and Taluk in which it is located. So in which village you are living, you should know the names of your Hobli and your Taluk which is located. And if not, write the names of village that you know and write the names of Hobli and Taluk in this box. Yes. And make a list of Hoblis your Taluk and display it in your classroom. Okay. You know that taluk consists of many hoblis, isn't it? So many hoblis form a taluk. So just now we have learnt. So observe the map given below. So children, this is a Bengaluru rural district. So many hoblis form a taluk and many taluk form a district. Yes, many taluks together form a district. So in Bengaluru rural what are the taluks are there? So Nelamangala taluk is there, Dodbalapura taluk is there, Devanhalli taluk is there, Hoskote taluk is there. You can observe in the picture. So in that particular taluk, so many hoblis are there, isn't it? Many hoblis are there with villages, isn't it? Yes. So like Nelamangala, Dodbalapura, Devanhalli, Hoskote, these are the taluks of Bengaluru rural district. Yes, you can observe in the picture children. Yes. So a group of many taluks is called a district. Okay. So now we have learnt hoblis. So some villages form a hobli and many hoblis form a taluk, and a group of many taluks is called a district. And identify the district which is given in the map and say. So many districts together form a state. So like Hubli Taluk district, many districts together form a state. Our state is Karnataka, isn't it children? So we know our state is Karnataka. Do you know how many districts are there in our state? Observe the map of Karnataka. Make a list of districts given there. So here a picture is there. A Karnataka map picture is there. In this even what districts also are there. We have to observe and we have to mention how many districts are there in our Karnataka. So actually children, there are 30 districts are there. Okay, so one by one we will read now. So this is our Karnataka map along with the district name. Okay, yes. So Bidar, Kalburgi, Vijaypura, Yadgiri, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Raichur, Koppala, Gadag, Dharwad, Uttara Kannada, Haveri, Ballari, Davangere, Shivamogga, Chitradurga, Udupi, Chikmagaluru, Tumkur, Chikbalapura, Kolar, Bangalore Rural, and Hasana, Dakshina Kannada, Mandya, Kodagu, Mysuru, Ramnagara, Bangalore Urban, and Mysuru, Kodagu, Chamarajanagar. So these are the district of our Karnataka. Okay, yes. So how many are there as of 2020 children? As of the year 2020, there are 30 districts are there in our Karnataka. Yes. So here we should write the district's name. Yes. So here, so I have written all the districts name of our Karnataka. Yes. So next, total number of districts in Karnataka state. So as of 2020, the year 2020, in our Karnataka state, there are 30 districts are there in our Karnataka. Okay. And here, name of your district. You should write your district name. Okay, and taluks of your district. You can discuss with your elders or with your parents. You should write your district name and taluks of your district. And look at the map of our state. Which districts are located in the northern end and southern end of the state? So children, what you should do? We should mention district which located in north side and south side. Okay, and end of the state, end of our state we should write here. So here one more activity is there. First one, what you should do? So you should observe the Karnataka map. In north side, what are the districts are there? You should mention, and what are the districts are there in south side? You should make the list. Okay, yes. So one more activity is there. Write the name of the district which surround your district in the table given below. So directions. So you should write the name of the districts which surround your district. So first you should mark your district in the Karnataka map, and so other district which surround your district you should write in the given table. Understand children? Yes. So next, observe the picture. The picture of animals, the birds which are found in our state are given below. So these are the some animals which are we can find in our Karnataka state. So peacock, bear, cow, and snake, squirrel, pigeon, horse, elephant, etc. are there. And one more activity, make a list of the animals and birds which are found in your district. Okay, so this is all about children, about district. After this lesson, you will come to know about your district. It may be it may be about animals, it may be about neighboring districts. Okay, yes. So this is also an activity. You have to collect your district animals and birds. So ragi, jowar, maize, sugarcane, coconut, areca nut, grains, oilseeds, etc. are grown in different districts of our state. So in Karnataka state, I said 30 districts are there. So in all districts, they will all the people will grow different types of crops. So like it may be rice, ragi, jowar, maize. Okay. So oil seeds also there, coconut, areca nut. So many crops they will grow. Yes. And activities, make a list of major crops of your district. So here again about your district you have to write, you have to make the list of major crops of your district. Okay. Yes. And industries like sugar, cement, fertilizer, aeronautic, fabric, and paper, etc. are found in different districts of our state. So in our Karnataka state, there are 30 districts are there. So in all the 30 districts, there are different industries are like industries are there. Like it may be sugar industry, cement industry, fertilizers, aeronautic, and fabric and paper. So many types of industries are there in all the different districts. So in your district, which what type of industries are there, you have to write here. Okay. Yes. And we find different occupations like agriculture, fishing, manufacturing cloth, making baskets, pottery, etc. are there. So here you can see children with different types of district, with different types of occupations we can see. So like in some district they will do agriculture, in some district they will do fishing, and in some district they will do pottery and making basket and what weaving cloth. So like that, with the help of your teacher or elders, make the list of major occupation of your district. Here you should write. And rivers like Bhima, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Netravati and Kaveri flow in our state, isn't it? So these are the main rivers which flows in our state. So what are those? Bhima, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Netravati, Kaveri. Yes. So these rivers are flows in our Karnataka state. So in your district you have to find out so which river will flow in your district. Okay. Yes, you have to find out with discussion with you. If you ask your parents or take help, elders help, means you will come to know which river flows in your district. Okay. Yes. And the pictures given below depict the speciality of famous places of our state like Hampi. Yes, so this is the Hampi stone chariot, and Vijaypura Gol Gumbaz, and Mysore Palace, and Bengaluru Vidhan Sauda, and Shumaga Jog Falls, and this is Mandya Kokkare Belluru Bird Sanctuary. So these are, they also depict the specialties of the concerned district. So every district has its own famous place. So in the Hampi districts, this stone chariot is famous. So as like in Vijaypura Gol Gumbaz, in Mysore district Palace, in Bangalore district Vidhan Sauda, and in Mandya district Kokkare Bellur Bird Sanctuary, in Shivamoga district Jog Falls is very famous places. So like this, so write the names of your famous places of your district. So know why these places are famous. Okay. Yes. And collect the pictures of famous places of your district and paste them here. So which is your district, you have to collect the famous places of that and you have to paste it here. Each district of our state is unique. Each district has its own weather, crops, industries, occupations, and famous places. And know about your district. Go on a tour to other district and try to know more about them. So isn't it, children? So in our Karnataka, so total 30 districts are there. So each districts of our state, they are very unique. Why? Because each district has its own weather. So all the district weather will differ, and even they will grow many different types of crops according to their weather and climate. And many different types of industries are there, like fishing, cement industry, paper industry, isn't it? So like this, different types of industries are there. Even occupations also, some people will do making basket, pottery, fishing, agriculture, like that. So many different types of occupations are there. And famous places like in Hampi, stone chariot, in Bijapura, Gol Gumbaz, like that. So according to their district, famous places all are different are there. So like this, about your district, you should understand what are the what famous places, and what are the industries are there, what are the different occupations are there, and what type of climate your district have. So okay, yes, you should collect all these information about your district. Yes. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. So now homework: draw or paste the Karnataka map with district name. Refer page number 194 and make the list of different occupations. So any 10 you can write, and make the list of rivers which flows in Karnataka. Okay? Yes. Thank you.